So at some point, did you hear something unusual behind you during the parade?
No, because the music vehicle was right behind me.
Did you at any time turn around and see something unusual?
Yeah, as we were going and I was dancing, when I would I seen a streak of red coming on my right side.
How fast was that streak of red going?
It was going pretty fast.
Hold on. The objection's noted. It's overruled. Her answer may stand.
Grounds for the overrule.
Relevance.
So your answer stands, which you said it was going pretty fast?
Yes, it just like whizzed past me. It wasn't just going slow.
As it was going past you, who was in the area prior to it going past you on, and I'm assuming you lifted your right arm, was that on your right side as you were marching down Main Street?
Yes.
Okay. Who was in that area prior to that red streak coming through?
Kitty corner for me, that would be Bill and Tamara Darrell.
Did you get the opportunity to see what that red streak was?
Yeah, and shortly, in a few seconds later, the red vehicle was right in front of me, going down the center of, to me, just pointing to the center of the parade route.
So right in front of you.
Yes.
How close did that red streak come to you?
I would say a few feet. He had to go around the car, the music vehicle.
Okay.
And then the right on the right side, and that's when Bill and Tamara were hit.
So when you were in front, in the back of the parade lineup, how far were you directly in front of the music car?
Several feet.
And the red vehicle that you've identified, it went to the right of the
It came
music car?
from the right side, yes.
And you stated it hit Bill and Tamara, correct?
They were the first ones, because they were just kitty corner from me, several feet.
Then where did it go? Which vehicle?
Then I noticed, I didn't see them get hit, because it all happened so quick that I was still dancing, and all of a sudden I seen the red car in front of me, and I screamed either in my head or out loud, I don't know which, but I said, "What is he doing? Where's he going?" And I just screamed it because it was so unusual, and I knew if he was going down the center of the parade route, he was going to be hurting a lot of people. And he wasn't going slow. He was going at a good clip.
Did, from the time that you saw the red vehicle on your right, striking Bill and Tamara, did you see it slow down at all?
Did I what?
See the vehicle slow down?
No, it just hit them, and as he was coming in, he started then going toward the middle, where he hit two more people, and then veered to the left and killed two more.
You said it was a red vehicle. Did you get a general description of the vehicle? What type of car? Was it a car, a sedan, a pickup truck?
No, it was like a SUV or something. It wasn't just a car. It was a van or, something on that order, SUV.
So as the vehicle went through, did it stop after it struck? I think you said it struck the people in the front. Who were the people that you just testified to that died?
Objection, leading the witness.
Overruled.
Grounds.
He came from the right, hit two.
Oh, one moment.
Whoops.
Sorry.
Was not leading. Go ahead. You may answer.
It came from the right, hit two people, and then veered toward the middle. And that's when I really seen him. And then hit two more people, veered to the left, and hit two more.
And the last two people that were struck, do you know who those people were?
Yes, I believe they were Ginny and Lee.
And you testify that both of those people died as a result of being struck?
They were killed instantly. And because the car came from the
Hold on.
back, oops,
That's okay. There's not a question. Wait till the question is asked.
okay.
After the car struck Ginny, and she would have been in the front of the parade still carrying the banner, is that correct?
Yes, she was on the far left, right in front of Ginny.
After that occurred, did you see the vehicle stop?
No,
Vehicle kept going?
yes,
Did you see the path of travel it took after it struck Ginny?
well, after it struck Ginny, it was sort of on the left side of the street, and it just kept barreling through.
I'm going to bring up Exhibit 54 again,
Go ahead.
and I'd ask that be published to the jury. It's previously been admitted into evidence.
Go ahead.
Objection. What's the relevancy of the video?
It's Exhibit 54. The court's already admitted it. It is shown to the jury. Go ahead.
Ma'am, can you, when the car went through, can you approximate where Bill was on this chart? You can put an X where you think he was.
Bill was about
Objection.
here.
I thought the sheet wasn't being shown.
Um,
You specifically made a ruling for the sheet to be turned over.
that was during her testimony. She's now being asked to annotate the exhibit. So it's proper. Your objection's noted. It's overruled. Go ahead.
Thank you. Can you show the jury, using this chart and maybe you just using a line, the path that the red vehicle took?
It struck there, hit Tamara, Betty, Lee, and then Ginny.
Thank you. If we can take a screenshot of that, and it would be State's Exhibit 54A, I believe. And you stated after it struck your group, it continued going in the left-hand
Yes.
side. Do you know what group was in front of you?
What was in?
I'm sorry, do you know what parade group was in front of the dancing grannies? And if you don't remember, that's okay.
Yeah, I'm not real sure.
That's fine.
For the record, the court did capture the annotation and marked it as 54A.
After the vehicle went by, what did you do?
After when I noticed that vehicle in front of me, and then it went toward the left and continued going down, it all happened in a matter of seconds. And after the car kept going, I looked on the road, and all I seen were bodies. I thought I was in a war because there were just so many, and I just went into shock, and I just grabbed my jacket like this and went to each body to see who it was and if I could help.
You said that you grabbed your jacket. You held both sides of your jacket up to your neck area. Would that be a fair statement?
Yes,
Objection.
I think I
Relevancy.
needed.
Hold on. The objection's noted. It's overruled. Her answer and the description provided for the record by Attorney Basie, I would note, was accurate. You may continue.
Grounds for the overrule.
Already noted. Go ahead, Attorney Basie.
Not noted.
So you said that you were in shock.
I just went into shock seeing the bodies. I needed to hold on to something, I think. So I just grabbed this and just went from body to body. And then the people were running into the road with blankets, and anybody that was in the medical group quick came and were helping the people that were laying in the road to see if they could help.
The people that you saw laying in the road, were all of those people from your group?
Objection.
Yes.
Hearsay.
Overruled, not hearsay. Just a reminder, once again, let me rule on the objection before you answer. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead.